Namaskar friends. Salam alaikum. Good evening. Hello. This is Aman and you watching my new YouTube channel Aman Patel Arts. In this channel I am going to put it out new videos related to drawing over the canvas and portrait oil painting sketches. So in this video I'm just going to telling you about how to make a pencil sketch of eye. So please, I hope you'll enjoy the video and you'll give me your super oriented comments, like, share and subscribe to my video please. It was my kindly request and watch the full video because I was doing a hard work. And please visit over my the dancing channel and I hope you'll enjoy the video. Please watch the full video. It was my kindly request. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Thank you. This is some pencils and this is some blending white pencils, and this is brushes for blending, and this is eraser, and this is I'm going to say tissue paper for the blending. You can take any of the tissue paper or anything. I'm going to start the video and take a very lightly to the pencil over the paper for a good presentation or a good orientation of drawing of yours. Please do a lightly please take the lightly to the pencil cone over the paper, and you can take any paper as related to drawing. Here I am taking a spiral simple plain paper, which is very cheap, not costly at all. And the pencil, these black pencils are from Faber-Castell. So please enjoy the video. You can I'm just using a brush for the blending. It was very beautiful technique. You can use tissue or anything. I like most to this, and it was the charcoal stick, which was from the Camlin brand. I was using a lot to it and it was my favorite. It gave a perfect good orientation, and it was 4B pencil. I won't say that please guys, you got a from the Faber-Castell, you got the pencils in a 6 series, 4B, 2B, 3B, 6B, like that. So please, I hope you enjoy the video. Please watch the full video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share, comment.
He was a beggar, blinded from birth, never could see the light. And you, with all your power, placed a mind upon his eyes and gave that man his sight. Like that blind beggar, I need to be healed. My light has grown so dim. Lord, have mercy on me. Open my eyes as you did for the blind. Work your wonders on my soul and make me whole again. Bid me be free from these wounds. Oh Lord, heal me. cleanse the leper, bid the lame rise, gave back the breath of life. And you, with all your power, can also heal what's deep inside and fill a man with light. And oh Lord, have mercy on me. Open my eyes as you did for the blind. Work your wonders on my soul and make me whole again. Bid me be free from these wounds. Oh Lord, heal me. I'm down on my knees with this plea. Oh Lord, heal me. Heal me. Heal me.
Guys, my drawing is about to complete, so I'm just going to draw the lashes perfectly. You have to draw the lashes perfectly, please. There is some lighting problem, so please don't mind it. I'm just going to make my videos beautifully. Thank you, friends. Please watch the full videos and comment. This is my first video, so there's a lot of problem over the editing, over the lighting purposes, so please don't mind and please comment about your orientation about my drawing. Thank you, have a nice day. Please watch the full video and press the like button, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Aman.